So the cops just showed up and they told everybody that unless they have a face cover and they're 6 feet apart, they have to disperse, which I think is a good idea. Oh look, there's some upset cop over there going like this. What you want me to do? What you want?
Yeah, they just calling.
Yeah, I can't believe people are arguing back, you know? Fucking, this makes me sick. Look at this shit. Alright, let's get out of here. We're part of the problem. We're not helping. Yeah, we're definitely not. Yeah, at least we have gloves on and face masks. Alright. Well, that was something. We'll just go straight here. Yeah, that was a fun little ride. And I'm kind of glad that we got lost a little bit there, or I got lost. Yeah, no, me neither. This is my main event for the day. Yeah, your chain is fucking saggy. Fucking saggy ass chain. Yeah, you can definitely hear it. And it's not a pleasant noise. Nice. It's a nice one. Was that him? No. No. I need a fucking camping weekend. I need to be in the middle of... It's funny, I want to be by myself in the forest. And right now it's like, I can be by myself in my apartment. Yeah, just want to be out. Hide away. Sit in the forest. Yeah, I barbecued on my balcony the other day in my little camping stuff. Oh yeah. Let's take a right so we can be on Broadway. Oh yeah, look at that. There's like freaking 4 of them. Fancy. Bahu. No, I didn't hear that. It's fucking hell, but they moved anyway, right? I presume. Yeah, that's appropriate. Well, before they were on Lower East Side, right? Yeah. What a bunch of weirdos. Like, if you're a fucking Hell's Angel nowadays, like, what are you doing? Yeah. Madness. I feel like we went all over today. Here, there, and everywhere. We were in Harlem, fucking deep Brooklyn. That was the point. That was like the whole problem in the beginning, because they had like a wedding, like a huge wedding, and they ignored all social distancing. So they're wearing masks. That lady over there is wearing a mask. Yeah. Oh yeah. It is doable. I don't understand why not everybody's doing it though. fucking idiots. Lack of the better word. Get ahead of this dude. Or is it not worth it? I guess a little bit. Oh yes, Mickey D's. Yo, I have fucking leftover Papa John's pizza, so dude, I've been thinking about it for like last hour. Yeah, I went for like almost a month without outside food, and then last 2 weeks I fucked up. Yeah, dude. I got a breakfast sandwich the other day. It was fucking so good. Little sausage, egg, and cheese. Alright. Oh no. Was that a cop? I hope not. Nope. I'm on my... Oh, you left. I passed that guy in the left. Yeah, fucking... That was not smart of me. What is this dude doing? Yeah, I used to live on Broadway Myrtle, right over there. I used to live on Broadway and Myrtle. Yeah, that's where Bushwick is. It's right over there, right. I knew it was familiar. That was like 6 years ago. No, not too bad. Right before I started vlogging, I moved and I bought a Ducati. My life changed. Alright. Bro, this person sucks. Right? It still is though. Yeah. Well, it's like Bed-Stuy as well. Bed-Stuy used to be gnarly too. I guess it's... Really? Bushwick was worse? Oh shit. Right. The pothole? Yeah. Oh, you hit it? I thought you went around it. Looks fine. All I hear is your chain. It's like this metal on metal. No, your rims are fine. Or you still got air, at least. Dude, yeah, no, I know that one. Batty. You know what? I'm gonna take a left here because I'm gonna go on Graham over there. You know where you are? Kinda? Yeah, exactly. Because I don't want to deal with that turn over there. I might as well go left here. Yeah. Alright, brother. Good ride, man. So we'll talk and I'll upload the footage. Sweet. Aha, yes, for sure. Oh, I will. Later, brother. And that it was a vloggy vlog with the Illustrator. Unfortunately, his microphone was acting weird, so the sound was a little forced and muffled, but it's all good. Not exactly sure what's going on here. Brazovs. More Pothole. Nice little skate park here. Boom, boom. I am tired. I need some food. Nice. Big bicycle crew over here. Big bicycle crew. Anyway, thank you for coming and joining me on this weird cruise with me and Illestrator. Fantastic times, as always. Now I'm gonna watch some Sopranos. Now I'm just gonna relax. I'm just gonna take it easy. Not much to do. Vlogging. What a weird thing. What a weird thing. What am I doing? What is going on? What and how and why?